Hi dear diamond painters, I hope that you're enjoying these unboxings every day, and today is number 12. Halfway there everybody, halfway there. Let's see what we've got today. We have a diamond painting kit, which I thought was appropriate for our halfway there. A little reminder to live every moment, laugh every day, and love beyond words. Isn't that lovely? Just a little reminder for the Christmas season, in case you need it. Right, let's see what we've got in this kit. So this kit was bought from Amazon for £3.98. A square shaped canvas with the butterflies. The butterfly symbol is a symbol of transformation. So with this saying and the butterfly transformation, I think it's really lovely. Now the size it states on the canvas is 35 by 35. So we'll give that a measure. And I have to say the weight of this one is good. It's a nice thick canvas. I'll turn it over so you can see it's folded. Might have been stood on there or something. Anyway, it's folded, but it's not creased. So sometimes when you see these, once you pull back the protective cover, they disappear if you flatten it down again. So don't be too worried if you receive one and you're quite new to diamond painting. Just lift it up a bit and you'll notice that they're not creases. It's just where the layer has lifted a little bit. So I'm just going to do that to try and flatten it before I measure. I hope everybody's really well. Getting organised for our big C. Okay. I think I'm just getting rid of some and making others. Let's try, that's it, one more time. That's it, that's better. So now you can see how lovely and flat that is. And I'll get my tape measure. So 35 by 35 it says. I don't think it is. No, it's the picture itself is less than 30. And I think it'll be the same down because it's a square picture. That's right, less than 30, about 27. Let's measure the canvas itself. Yeah, the canvas itself is, well, I would say 34 by nearly 35. So there we go. That happens quite a lot, doesn't it? So there we are. So always, always, if you're thinking of framing pictures, buy the picture first and then measure it before you purchase a frame, because that happens quite a lot. Right, we've got 25 colours in this one. Let's have a look how they've charted it. So we've got capital letters and then lowercase letters. So very clear. Let's have a pull back and have a look at the canvas. Oh yes, nice and clear. Again, they've used white letters on dark backgrounds and dark letters on the paler backgrounds. And they do look nice and clear. I'm trying to see a lowercase. Ah, yes, here. Lowercase ones. So it looks like they've used the capital letters for the main detail and then the lowercase letters for those little added accents. If you look at that butterfly there. Nice. And it looks like the lettering is going to be clear, which is lovely, because sometimes when these smaller pictures arrive, the lettering can get a little bit wishy-washy, but these look lovely and clear. So yes, I am impressed by that. And look at these beautiful greeny teals. Nice. Let's have a look at the toolkit. Basic toolkit, green tray, diamond pen, pink wax. How much was this kit? Oh yes, £3.98. So basic tool kit, again, would have been nice to have a multi-placer, but you know, it's a very affordable kit. Round diamonds. Got pinks. No DMC code on the bags of diamonds, so you will need to keep them. You need to keep the ledger for the DMC numbers ready to put in your storage when you've finished, if you do keep your diamonds, which is always recommended because we can find things to do with the leftovers. So let's have a look at these colours. So pinks, number 3 is 310. So I would say fair, yeah, for £3.98. They look clean, they're not dusty. They've got a shimmer to them. Yeah. As the DMC numbers are not on the packets, I'll look at them this way round. We've got greens, we've got earthy tones, pinks, so it seems to be pinks, greens, earthy tones. Oh, there's a spot of blue. Creams. Oh, look at this little pack. This one's got the creams, yellows, pale blue. Nice. So I would say the diamonds are fair to good. They do look like they are the same sizes. You know, they look consistent. Yeah. Nice little kit for £3.98. Thank you for joining me today for this unboxing for number 12. Hope you can join me tomorrow for number 13. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.